Guess what we're working with? That's right, cardboard. As usual. Let's go. So basically I decided to use these insoles as like a base to start off. Hopefully make my life much easier. Alright, so now that the insoles have been cut out, we can start working from the inside out. I think I'm gonna start with the midsole since obviously I got the insole right here. And then working my way around the shoe. This time I'm making both pairs because I feel like I can probably do it without using much cardboard. So. Alright, so obviously the main focus point of this shoe is the folding mechanism, which is right there. It basically uses a hinge pretty much to allow the midsole to fold in half. But since I can't use plastic, I can only use cardboard. I'm gonna have to come up with something. I don't know, I'll see. The midsole is built outwards from the hinge, and then you have this insole plate. That's basically what I'm trying to recreate here. So this is the insole, and this is gonna be the hinge for the midsole. Obviously I need to make it a bit longer, but you get the idea. It's gonna sit like that, and then from there I can build out the midsole. I'm a genius. Alright, so I made this 3D model of the folding mechanism, I guess, just to kind of help me visualize it a bit better. And I think I know how it's made pretty much, so I'm gonna try different ideas, see what I come up with. But yeah, this is what I do so far. Alright, so as you can see I got most of it done, well the midsole at least. I'm gonna leave the upper for later. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like so far. I haven't done this outsole. But yeah, let me show you guys the folding mechanism. It actually came out pretty good. See that? That's basically how the whole shoe works.